Hey guys, this is how I generally trade, and this is my setup. I have 3 hours, and then I use 15 minutes, and then I use 3 minutes. So I'll go from the larger time frame just to understand how the market biased for today. And you can see that we have opened today on a slight flat note, and then it started moving towards the downside. Bank Nifty is making a complete downside in the higher time frame, and the reason why I could say it's a stochastic crossover. Here you can see a crossover happen, here you can see a crossover. So ideally they will do a kind of a selling at this portion, and then a reversal would come. And I just plotted it as a W pattern here, and likewise it's a W pattern here. So there will be a kind of a mean reversion that would happen, and probably one can start accumulating at the range of 17,500 or 17,450, and likewise the same applies for Nifty. This is at the larger time frame window. If I look at 15 minutes time frame, and I do not see anything in the Nifty, and still it's a strong uptrend, but Bank Nifty slightly showing a negative, and it is making a small higher lows, and we are at the lower zone of the stochastic. So probably a reversal would come in 15 minutes here today. But if I look at this overall picture, what I'm thinking, we might hit a 40,600, 700, and then it will start flying towards 41,500 or 42,000. So that's my short term view. And then I'll go back into 3 minutes, because this is what I use it for my scalping or for any adjustments that I make. And the same setup I use it at 3 minutes. This will be appearing in one of my other screen. In the meanwhile, I'll be hearing song. uh, this is my other screen where I will execute the orders. The first one is all about my selling account, where I have kept 15 lakhs on this capital, means on this account. I had some overnight position, and then I started doing adjustment to it, a mild adjustment. I'll not make more of the adjustments, because I've taken a, means like I do not want to make too many adjustments from this year. So because it is giving a high transaction and the STT charges, so I'll be reducing my number of changes, but they are inverted triangles, and I will do adjustment as in when it is required. This is my another scalping account, where I said that I'm using a 3 lakh capital. There will be another account where I'll be using 6 lakh capital. Using a copy trade, I'll be copying the orders from this account to the other account. This is my one account, and there will be another account which I'll be using this copy trade, and I will be executing the same orders. You can see it's just the replication of the other. I did not do anything, and this one I carried overnight because of the physical settlement. I just closed it in the morning, and then I did two trades, and two trades where I just made 0.6 to 0.7 percentage on each of the trades. It's close to 0.75 or 0.8 percentage per day, because I'm just using 3 lakh capital, and my target is to hit 1 percentage every day. That's how I do it. And on the selling, I'll shift it to the ATMs or OTMs near the expiry on FinNifty or Nifty on either Wednesday or Thursday. So this is how my simple setup it works. So I use two accounts. One is for selling, the other one would be on for buying with the scalping, where I execute it through the copy orders. This is for the reason I'm not able to manage that the position sizing. So here my focus is just to work on to this 3 lakh, keeping 2 to 3% risk per day, so that the orders would get copied to the other one, where I can do a 2x, 3x, 5x, 10x once I get comfortable to this. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Feel free to share your comments and thoughts.